Well, hello there. Welcome to Tiny Kitchen, Big Flavor. It is a rainy day here today. So I had some ribs that I had seasoned. I took them out of the freezer, frozen like that, put them in this pot and put them inside the oven this morning at 400 for about 2 hours. Put the pot up on the stove, added 2 jars sancocho broth that I had canned in 2022. And then all I have done going forward is I added carrots, plátano, yuca, and some celery stalks the bottom when I make my juice. And that's it. It tastes amazing. I'm gonna add some bay leaf, a little bit of salt to taste, and a hint of salsa, just to give it a little hint of heat. But that is it. This is perfect for this for today, and it's so fast, especially if you have your meat already seasoned like I did. I had it seasoned in a ziplock bag in the freezer, and because this is a Dutch oven, I didn't have to do anything. I honestly just opened the ziplock bag with the seasoned meat all frozen, put them in the pot and covered it with the lid and just put it at 400. It released some of the juices, not enough. I added my 2 jars of sancocho broth. It could be any kind of broth of your choice. Normally we'll add kabocha squash, which I love, but I don't have any. Again, you can make it whatever you want. I also added a cube of sofrito that I normally make, and I freeze it. I'll link the video to that sofrito cube so that you know. But basically all I'm doing now is letting the vegetables cook and thicken up a little bit, and then I'll pull these out and we're done.